Comprehension on the nested iterables? I have this nested list. I want to convert each element in L to float. I have this code. How can I solve the problem with a nested list comprehension instead? See also, how can I get a flat result from a list comprehension instead of a nested list?
Here is how you would do this with a nested list comprehension. This would give you a list of lists, similar to what you started with except with floats instead of strings. If you want one flat list, then you would use. Note the loop order, for X and L comes first in this one.
Here is how to convert nested for loop to nested list comprehension. Here is how nested list comprehension works. For your case, if you want a flat list, it will be something like this.
Not sure what your desired output is, but if you're using list comprehension, the order follows the order of nested loops, which you have backwards. So I got the what I think you want with. The principle is, use the same order you'd use in writing it out as nested for loops.
Listen to this, it's